Sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Jeep Compass. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.